Okay, I'm gonna do a quick tutorial on color sand and buff. Because I don't have a paint booth, it's hard to keep a dust-free environment. So sometimes you need to color sand and buff. So what I've got here is some 1200, some 1500, some heavy duty rubbing compound, machine glaze, light duty compound, soapy water, and orbital polisher. Now as you can see, when I paint my car, it tends to have dust collect on the surface, and as you can see here, there's little imperfections, but that's easily corrected with a color sand and buff. So when I come back, I'm gonna run over it with some machine glaze and we'll see how that works. Okay, I've gone over it with the first coat of heavy duty rubbing compound. You can see that the shine's starting to come back. I'll go over it with heavy duty compound maybe 2 more times. Okay, I've been over it now with the machine heavy duty glaze 3 times. So now you can see the shine starting to come back. Now I'm gonna switch pads. We'll switch to a milder pad, and we'll switch to a milder compound, and we'll go over it probably 3 or 4 more times. And then I can wash the panel and wax it. One thing I should caution on is never sand on the edges, because it's really easy to burn through. So never sand on any of these lines. Sorry, these lines like that, or the door edges. Stay away from that, because with the buffer you will buff right through the paint. Okay, I gave it 3 times with heavy duty rubbing compound. Then I went over it with medium duty compound, and now I'm just cleaning it up, and the last step is going to be to wax it to get the little swirl marks out. So I'll show that after this is done. Okay, that was a quick demonstration. I gotta go somewhere, so I need to give it one more mild rub to get the swirl marks out. But other than that, as you can see, most of the little dirt particles are gone. And it's back to looking like a show car.